Let us help you make more money using a comprehensive plan guaranteed to easily and quickly maximize your sales and pay for itself many times over. The ultimate store closing toolkit. Now you can write your own ticket to success, saving you time, effort, and tons of money. Power Retailing is here to help you with the right strategy and get you to your goal faster. We all think about how to start a business, but according to industry experts, the majority of independent retailers don't have a well-planned exit strategy. Because they don't know the details, they simply get stuck with unforeseen decisions and lose thousands of dollars of unsold stock and fixtures. Don't let this happen to you. With a step-by-step plan, your inventory, fixtures, and equipment can be sold in 6 to 8 weeks. Bob Nelson is president of Power Retailing. Bob knows the dilemma of running a retail business because he's been there. If you are working more and enjoying it less, Power Retailing can help you make a successful switch in your life. At a cost you can easily afford, now you can quickly and safely recover up to 100 to 150% the cost of your inventory. It's the ultimate liquidation system to sell your store quickly and safely and turn your inventory, fixtures, and equipment into 100% cash. Our innovative customer-winning strategies has been featured in SCORE, Counselors to America's Small Business, The Baltimore Journal, Nation's Business, Retailer News, CBS News, and Christian Retailing, to name just a few. Our clients range from small to medium-sized retailers to independent owner-operators of national chains such as Ace Hardware, True Value, Hallmark, Radio Shack, and more. The entire marketing plan is designed to make you money, not cost you money. With far less expense, you'll have new ideas, trade secrets, specific details, and things you've never done or thought about before. We guarantee it. Plus, you'll have all the money up front. Cash you can take to the bank. It's the urgency and exciting money-making presentation of our exclusive sales material, custom-designed signs, attention-getting strategy, and high-impact approach that makes things happen. Discover what to do and what not to do. You'll learn the exact steps and gain private access to our personal coaching program and valuable information to guide you through the process and avoid the 10 biggest sales and marketing mistakes. The rewards, cash flow, and success can be amazing if you let Power Retailing's cutting-edge strategies do the hard work for you. But you must act now. Imagine having a surefire game plan and enjoying thousands of dollars in extra revenues and new profits to put in your bank account. Guaranteed to immediately double your sales. Get a free quote today. Call 480-460-1980. You'll be blown away how much time, effort, and money you will save.